channel. It's Nyla again. I want to do another wig review for you guys. This is the Outre Color Bomb wig Kimani in 3DRFF Buttery Blonde. This is the info. Okay, so this is a lace front. It comes in colors 1B 613, DR4 cream blonde, amber blonde, buttery blonde, ivory blonde, sandstone blonde, wheat blonde. All right, so as y'all know, I'm just going to get straight into this video. I'm not going to take forever just to put on the wig. So here we go. I have not cut the lace yet. This is the inside. It has, I believe, this is called a T part, or it's just like a little part, or like I say J part. I mean, maybe they say a T because the hairline and that, but yeah. And this is the inside. So let's go ahead and put it on. Woo, Barbie. Even though I'm a Bratz doll, this got me feeling like a Barbie doll. So this is the wig. I have not cut the lace yet at the top. I actually like this blonde. I feel like it brings out my undertones. It makes my highlight look a little bit more popping. So I like it. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my wigs like real quick. Like this is me doing a wig like I just bought and I want to put it on today. So this is what I will normally do. So now I'm cutting the lace off. And you want to be real careful when you do this. You don't want to cut actually into the hairline of the wig. So now I'm trying it on just to see how it fits once the lace is cut off. And adjust it as necessary. You know, you have like the little bands in the back, so make sure it fits your head as comfortably as possible. So now I'm just detangling it a little bit, just brushing it out some. Now I'm taking my Soul Body foundations and I'm just going to use that for the part and also my hairline. So you're gently going to put the foundation in the part and be sure to not get it on the hair. Now I'm taking this holding spray and I'm just going to spray the top to prevent flyaways and to kind of keep the foundation in place. And that's it, and you're all done with your quick little install. Also, one huge tip is you also can put foundation on the edges part. So don't forget that. Just like you do your part, do the edges too. So usually, you know, if you put your wig on first, then you do your makeup, you could kind of like pat it with the sponge when you do your foundation. But that's one huge tip as well. All right, y'all, and that is how I do a quick wig install when I really want to wear it. So this front part already looks like pre-plucked in the front, which is a total surprise because most of these wigs you have to pluck them unless you don't want them plucked. So this one is plucked very, very nicely in the front. I will say so myself, especially cutting the lace off. It was really nice. So I would just go out like this. If this was a wig I just purchased, I'm going out real quick, I'm going on a date or something real quick, and I just want to wear something, I'll just go ahead, cut the lace off, put it on, and then go ahead and just do the part. Then I spray a little bit of wholeness spray in the part just to make sure this kind of like stays in place and like the top doesn't have any flyaways. Comb it out a little bit, then you're ready to go. So sometimes, like if it's get tangly in the back, you can get this Luster's pink spray and spray it in the back and brush that out just to make sure it stays detangled. So then you're ready to go. So yes, y'all, this is the Color Bomb in Buttery Blonde. Also, this is a wig I would definitely do baby hair with just because it's blonde and it's real sexy. But that would be, you know, if I was taking my time getting ready. But I wanted to show y'all a quick way for you to style your wigs. Even if you're a beginner, that's a great way to start. Just cutting the lace off, doing your part, and making sure the hair stays in place and it's detangled in the back. That's always a perfect go-to. And then, you know, we'll get more into the baby hair and stuff like that in another one of my videos. So make sure y'all are subscribed and make sure you like this video and share with a friend.